Hello Jim Tech Buzz. First look today at the all new Positive Vibration XL ANC from House of Marley. Bluetooth headphones, so you've got FSC certified, active noise cancelling, premium comfort and 26-32 hour battery with total playtime. So that's the box there. We plant trees, and as usual House of Marley, they plant trees, ready purchase and all that kind of stuff. So onto the stuff on the back. Aluminium, active noise cancelling, ultra comfort, 26 hours with ANC, 32 without. And you've FSC certified wood, foldable hinge design, 40mm drivers and quick charge. So all looking pretty good. So let's open this box, which is a bit awkward. It's a slider. And it doesn't want to come out at the moment, but we'll get there. So we got it open and let's get into it here. So you get a nice bag here to start with, and it feels like there's something inside. So inside is the quick start guide, all that kind of stuff there, sticker, so that'll go on my new Chromebook, and spread the love, social media handles and all that kind of stuff. So you get your braided cables, which are pretty cool, USB-C, USB-A and your 3.5mm. Pretty nice. And see if there's anything else. Nothing else there, your usual gel. So onto the main product. Oh yeah, these feel really nice. Pretty cool indeed. Nice build here, excellent build. You've got the wood here, metal, and let's put them on first. God, these are pretty cool. Very good fit as well, really comfortable. Nice deep cups there, both sides as you can see. Nice material going around the band, soft bad padding underneath there, and they swivel, and of course they fold up as well. So really nice indeed, excellent quality. So over here you've got your buttons, and you've got your ports, your LED lights and all that kind of stuff. And I'm loving this design here on the sides, and the cups on both sides. The cups do move in and out as well, they swivel, so you've plenty of movement there for more comfort. And again, yeah, they fold up nicely and will fit into that travel bag that you see there from earlier on. But really excellent quality here overall, and they look really cool as well. So you've got your buttons all here, which are raised. You've an ANC button, and then you've got other buttons over on this side is here as well, which are also raised. So easy to feel blindly, which is cool. And there's no creaking out of the meter there. So that's really it for the first look and unboxing. You've got your inline control here as well on this here, which is nice and clicky. And I like these braided cables as well, they're really nice, and they're really tough cables too, and better than your typical standard plastic one. So any questions, do hit us up, techbuzzorion.com. Stay tuned for a full review very soon. We get to work on these in the next day or so and test them out for about a week and see how they go on. But for the first impressions, I'm very impressed. Really am impressed at the first impressions here. Nice material, nice looking, well built, and nice solid pair of headphones. Stay tuned for a full review soon. Any questions, drop them down below.